Okay, so I'm currently on step 21 or 22. So basically, I added the code to random color activity and I imported everything. And so it's working when it's in portrait. But then when you flip it landscape, it resets color. So I'm gonna fix that right now. Okay, so I changed the values of my red and my green to 1, and so blue stays at 256. So as you can see when I click it, it is different shades of blue because the random for red and green is so small that like the blue is so large that it's just shades of blue. Like the blue just takes over because blue's at 256. So it randoms higher numbers than the rest. Okay, so as you can see, when the system.out.print, the printing line is added to the onCreate method, then if I rotate the device, then it prints a new one. Yeah. So after adding these last two lines to the onCreate method, every time the device is rotated, a new line gets printed that says, push me. Yeah. So, yeah, here's the device working where it changes colors. I still didn't fix the red and green values from one of the points in the lab. But yeah, as you can see, it still just changes color. It still resets, like the program resets on orientation change, but it still works. But on orientation change, it still displays the messages. Right? So for the messages getting displayed, it's this onCreate method. It finds out the orientation, if the orientation's been changed because of the layout part. And then this part changes the color when buttons pushed because of the randomization, where it just chooses a random number and it changes background. 6. So that's why it changes. Yeah, it changes. It just picks a random color by randomizing between 1 and 256 for red, green, and blue.
So we're just supposed to set it for random, like the other one? Yeah.
And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, for the first part of the advanced, for the code, I took the code from the push button method, and then I just put it into the onCreate method, except since the view wasn't initialized for this method, I changed it to button since button is recognized, since there's a button right here. This button right here, so I put button there. And so save it, and then run it.
That makes a lot of sense in all the world. Yeah.
This is not like a... No, but it's not like actual...
So...
Yeah, somebody still makes it.
It should start colored, and there it is. And then rotate it, and since the button restarts, it changes to a different color. And also still outputs the messages.
It's gonna stay stuck.
Okay, so for the second part of the advanced, I added all the sensor stuff. I can't click anything right now, so I can't show you. Like, I actually can't click anything for some reason. But I did find the hotkey for running the app, and when you shake, it does change. It still randomizes when you change orientation. Shaking it still changes color. Lit. Alright, there it is. So I have the app running in the background. Launch Chrome. I don't know why this is on www.com. Take this out of the Salon Prism Lab. So that's not me. But anyway, swipe that away. And as you can see, it's still there and it still works. And like it still outputs the messages, but like yeah, I don't know if it'll see because I still can't click. But yeah, there you go.